Hello and welcome to the Nitty Kitties channel. I'm Annie Art Netty. Got a glitter pen all over me. There's a short I was doing. I'll upload that soon. So in this video I got the Yolopart Bumblebee. Now there is a video I did previously with Optimus Prime. He's just over here. Come on, don't be shy. And if you want to see me building him, feel free to click on that video. So today he's going to be joined by his pal Bumblebee. It's got Bumblebee's upgraded weapons on this one. It's in particular it's the Rise of the Beasts version of him. So it's a 16cm model kit, just so you can see what it looks like there. So they've highlighted all the parts there. Product name is AMK Bumblebee, made of plastic. So there's the front, the back, and details there and articulation. So just pop this on this camera too if you want to pause the video. So it's made by Hasbro, Authentic Transformers, and you can follow Yolopart on all their socials if you want to. Right, I have previously opened it because this was a Christmas present and I wanted to have a look. So this is the booklet that comes inside, and it shows you how to build Bumblebee. It should, she says, be quite simple. If I can do the Optimus Prime one, I should be able to do this one. Right, let's get to it. Let's have a look. Take out all those nasty noises, so just take out all those nasty noises so I'm not destroying people's speakers. Oh my goodness me. Oh no, stop. The engine, see the engine in the middle is his body, his torso. Oh, that is so cool. Right, okay, so if I set it out like that, that should do. Oh, do you want to see his little head? God. Yeah, so this is plastic, this one. You can see his head. And the Optimus Prime one is metal. He's not plastic, he's metal. At least I think he is, as far as I'm aware. Right. So. Oh, go! Little feet! His feet! Look at that! How can you resist it? And just the detail on that as well. It's beautifully done. It's very, very detailed. Very detailed. And also there as well. Do. Right, let's build him. Come on, Bumblebee. And there he is. Oh no. He's adorable. I'm so excited. So there you go. They are quite tight to go in, but it's done that way. Oh, hello. I didn't put that in properly. Make sure you put it in fully. Otherwise they will just pop out like that. There we go. So his head rotates. These wheels rotate as well. His stomach rotates. Arms bent, knee stretch, rah rah rah. His arms. Front kick. He can kick. Leg curls. Yeah. And his arms are articulated. Hands as well, sorry, yeah. Hands articulate. Yo, brother. Very cool. Ah. Yeah, these do move as well. Oh my god, you are beyond adorable. Do you know Bumblebee? Don't blush like that. He's such a sweetie. And there they are together. Wonderful. Good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.